Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a few essentials. Your iPhone or iPad must run the latest iOS, be signed into iCloud, and have Face ID or Touch ID set up. Add a supported card to Wallet if you haven't already, because Pay Later uses that funding source. Next, open Wallet, tap the Pay Later option, and follow the guided setup to request eligibility. This is where Apple checks basic identity and credit. Once done, you'll be ready to choose a Pay Later plan at checkout. At checkout, tap Apple Pay and choose Pay Later. Then compare the available plans, such as 4 easy installments or a short monthly plan, and read the cost breakdown. You should review interest, fees, and the total you'll pay. This clarifies why one plan may cost less overall. Authorize the purchase with Face ID or Touch ID, and confirm which funding card will be charged for any missed payments. Make sure to note payment dates so you can avoid late charges. You finish by managing the plan in Wallet. Review upcoming payments, set reminders, and pay early if you want to reduce interest exposure. If you need to change the funding card, do so before a scheduled charge. Once a payment processes, you can still make extra payments manually. If setup or authorization fails, first verify your card details, region eligibility, and Apple ID information, then retry if problems persist. Contact your card issuer or Apple support to resolve holds or verification issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.